Hello everyone, Eric with All Replay back again, and I sold my 2005 Mercedes-Benz C230 because I needed an SUV. So here it is. Found this on Auto Tempest. It's a 2008 Dodge Nitro 3.7 V6, and it's only got 77,000 miles on it. It was purchased from, I didn't buy it from the Copart auction in Pennsylvania, and this is annoying, but it was bought from that one, and the guy that I bought it from fixed all the windows because it had vandalism damage, where I think 3 or 4 windows in the back were busted, and he had them replaced. Drove down to Florida, used it for like 2 months, and he needs a bigger truck. So here I am. I needed something bigger myself and with less problems, and bought this. So we're gonna go through it. Just done the wash. The radio's not playing any sound out, so I'm gonna pull this radio out, see if there's a plug missing or something in the back, and then we'll go from there. Here's an overview. I got the hood all up, trying to figure out why this radio is not sounding. But this little plastic bezel's cracked. I think I'm just gonna take that off. I think this probably one that pick a pool. Engine's clean. Clean. Yeah, it looks like a brand new battery, man. Like, this thing's looking good. Look at the washer fluid. I mean, this thing's aftermarket rims look like somebody painted them. And interior needs a little work, you know, a little clean here and there. I'll probably get that shampooed. But we'll just kind of go through it real quick. Tail lights have a little crack. You know, come with a paper towel roll. That's worth something. I think there's an amplifier back here. I could use a little work. Yeah, I may change that out. That looks kind of old. This antenna definitely needs a little work. If I could pop that off. And then needs like a buff or something right here. I don't know. But yeah, 77,000 miles. Alright, so I got the plastic trim out, pulled this radio out, and everything looks plugged in here. So I decided to go to this driver's rear door, pull the pin off because the window doesn't work, and lo and behold, there's no motor in here. So I'm just going to try to get this whole plastic piece here with the motor and regulator all built in. They may have one at Junkyard. If not, it's like $90 on Amazon. It'll be here in a couple days, and then this one will work. I want to see why the speaker is not working. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. Yeah, it looks like a couple little Torx bits, and then go from there. Pull the speaker out. It's plugged in, so somebody didn't put aftermarket speakers in and took them back out. So I guess I'm gonna have to pull the panel out in this rear back here where the amp is. Supposedly there's an amp back there. Yeah. So I have to do some research. The radio does not work at all. Sure. So I'm looking at getting this aftermarket one off of Amazon. It's like 50-60 bucks, plus the wire harness is 20 bucks with connectors. The little rear wiper blade is $13. This is all shipped to the house. The driver's side power window regulator motor is like 98 bucks. And looks like it needs 2 rotors. He gave me brake pads, so that's another 70 bucks for the front. And I'm gonna look at these pricing, but hey, for $274, we go from there. Alright, still working on this 08 Dodge. I took some paint removal, and look at this. I mean, I think the rims are fine, dude. I think somebody just painted black stuff over them, and the chrome is probably still, yeah, it's probably still fine. I think it'd be worthwhile to actually, I did just like a test. You know, some of it may have some issues right in there. probably where they've been putting the wheel on, but I'm thinking the rest of it will be fine. I mean, it'll look a lot better than that black, ugly paint. But I got rotors coming because these are shot. I mean, these are pretty bad right there. I mean, it looks like it's all the way down to the metal on these pads, but Vincent gave me some pads, so I'm good there. But I'm thinking about just doing the paint removal and letting it sit and just peeling this off, man, because this looks like it's fine underneath, and I don't know if I want to fool with trying to find the center caps or anything, but yeah, we'll see, you know, how far along it goes. But I'm thinking, yeah, man, this would be fine, you know, not unless it's screwed up underneath, but it looks fine right there so far. Always painting black again.